It's Tuesday, midnight, basically Wednesday. The whole day I've been trying to fix this camera. All the files got corrupted in the morning and I had to pay for a whole software to get the files back. And not even all the files were there. Huge issue. So I couldn't have time to edit like episode 3 of this challenge. And then tomorrow I'm dipping to Cali. I don't know what I'm gonna do for episode 3. I might just do a whole recap of it. Here's the update that I said I was gonna do for the week 3. Well, day 1, I'll just show you guys. Let's see. I'll show you guys. So Monday, it was break even. Didn't let my trade breathe. Horrible. The trade ended up hitting TP. Tuesday, no trades. Wednesday, passed 2 top step accounts and brought Apex back to break even. My funded futures $300 away from being break even. It was a banger trade. I literally entered with 4 contracts, and this was an 120-point trade. Pretty fire. I'll throw a picture up of the trade on the screen. Then Thursday, small loss of 200. User error, didn't enter on leader accounts. Took re-entry, and it was bad for my stops. Friday, no trades. I got off my cruise, and there was crazy war news. And then again, this is this week. Monday, small loss. Tuesday, no trades, terrible range. Wednesday, missed out on ideal entry, but still a banger trade. P&L now at 23.51. This is the banger trade that I had. And then Thursday, markets were closed. Friday, I didn't trade and missed a banger trade just because it was markets closed and because FOMC was this day. Today is episode 4, day 3. Day 1 was a loss. Day 2, no trades. Day 3 is today. So yeah, day 1, small loss. Day 2, no trades. Day 3 is today. Let's see how the day goes. We're in the middle of a trade right now. It looks pretty good. 50 minutes gonna close really nicely. Currently up 730, 740. And then across all these accounts, 700-ish. All the top step ones, I need like 1,000 more to get past. But yeah, pretty good. Trade status.
That was a edge if I've ever seen one.
We're getting edge to TP right now, but yeah, looks pretty good. Take out London.
Yeah, bro.
Take it out.
Bro.
Jeez. Because ES is going. ES has passed it. I'm about to just close this shit.
By half a point, bro. That's actually brutal.
Come on, take out London. You can do it. Smack and Rudied! DB schmacked! Alright. We're gonna let this top step one run because we need to patch his account, so we're gonna kind of let this one run a little bit. Alright. I needed this trade today so I could take my flight in peace. We have a flight. Yeah, we have a flight today. Yanni didn't even know. We have a flight today at 7:30. So yeah, good way to end the day. Not trading tomorrow because it's a holiday. You can't trade. If you want to trade, you're an idiot. Friday, I probably won't trade after a holiday. Doesn't really make sense to me. But Monday, small L. It was a $200 or $300 L. Yesterday, no trade. And then today, nice little trade for $1,300. WWW. Bang. Alright boys, trade is done. I finished the trade a while ago actually. I just set my trailing to London highs, which was the original TP. I was going to let it run, but then my trailing got hit. I exited for 63 points. I made 1,200-ish. I thought it was 1,300, but like Trade Syncer was showing the wrong thing. It was 1,200, 1,230 was the amount I made. Top step accounts, almost done. It's 5 accounts. Well, 4 accounts are almost done. One of them is almost halfway through. But I need 620 for 4 accounts. And then the other one, I need like 1,600, 1,700. And then I pass it. But yeah. Yo, morning boys. Today is Friday of week 4. We didn't take any trades today. I said I wasn't going to trade today just because we had bank holiday yesterday, and the day before was the FOMC, so I didn't want to take the risk today. It didn't seem like a high probability day. There was a really good short setup actually. We traded 2 days of the week. That's all we traded this week. Slow week. let's see, hopefully next week we get some good trading days. Also, we're only currently up $2,000 on the challenge. I left off on the last video that we didn't trade Friday, so our total cumulative P&L right now is pretty low. It's 2,300, I think. I'll put the updated number, but I think it's 2,300. The goal for this week is to be at 6 to 10 grand. Let me see the calendar real quick. Let's see if we can finish it on Monday to be at 20, because then all the other accounts are going to be passed and in profit. We're doing pretty good now. We're back on track. This should be a good week, and the following two, following my rules, staying disciplined, and doing everything I need to do. But yeah, this is a short video because of, like I said, my footage that got deleted. I ended up recovering it. I'm just not home right now, so I can't even access the videos. I ended up recovering it. I had to pay like $90 for the software to recover the footage, which was, and it also took like 8 hours to recover, so it was horrible. All right, so this is gonna be seen today. Today's Sunday, and I said hopefully this week's a good week. Didn't take into consideration about the whole like war crisis thing that's going on, but market opened up. Asia opened up today, like 40 minutes ago, and we had a huge gap of like 200 plus points down. Hopefully there's good volume this week. I haven't decided if I'm gonna de-risk because of the war, and just because anything that's said regarding into war can be taken into account and affect the market just like this. So I might de-risk, but yeah, we'll see. You guys are gonna see this today, and I'm gonna upload the video by tonight, so yeah.